When it comes to the safety and hygiene of my loved ones, I only trust Euronics. So it's only natural that I partnered with one of India's largest washroom and entrance solutions brand, Euronics, manufacturing fully automated accessories.
You might have observed plastic strips hanging on the entry of factories and warehouses, and you might be wondering, what is it and why is it installed? This is PVC strip curtain. This strip curtains allows efficiency of a door with the convenience of not having to open or close it. They are typically used in warehouses or factories to create separation between two areas. You don't have to physically open gates to make way for humans or machines. Some regular places you'll see strip curtains installed may include food and pharmaceutical plants, warehouses, cold storages, paint workshops, etc. It stops warm air from coming inside, reduces your electricity bill by up to 40% by improving air conditioning efficiency. It restricts flies from entering inside, restricts dust from coming inside. Contact us today for more information.